And today we are doing the 106-minute drawing challenge.
Slowly. See, a little slowly. People can't understand what you're saying.
We are doing the 106-minute drawing challenge.
Okay.
And we are on episode number 46.
Oh, do you remember your episode number 46?
Because I saw it from here.
Okay. So episode number 46. And what are we going to draw in episode number 46?
Green lantern.
Green lantern. Okay. So for people who are new to this video, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub. Be with us till the end of the video. Hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below, and you can win some exciting goodies from Pariksha and Kids Fun Learn Club. So let's get started with drawing a green lantern.
Green lantern.
Keep the
Not many green lanterns.
Okay. How do we do this? We draw the eyes.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the mask you are drawing.
The eye mask, yeah. Yeah.
How many just to breathe?
Okay. Now we make the eyes.
What?
The eyes.
I'm not even started.
Why are you so slow?
And
the nose.
Wait.
Okay, just outlining it. Yes, Pariksha.
No.
Very good.
Not again. I have to wait. No, I have to. Green lantern has big eyes.
Now what do we do next? We do the head.
It looks like he's sad.
Even mine one does not look like a green lantern yet. But it will look once we are done. It will show you.
Yours does. Here. Meanwhile.
The ears. Okay. And now the body.
Mine looks like Golum.
Golum.
I just made it too like that.
That's okay.
But I can just fix that.
Yes? All good till here?
This will become the hair. Uh-oh.
Good till here?
No, not.
I am.
Not too good.
Okay.
Now the hair will come here.
Okay.
Have made too much gap between, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it has to be like that.
Yes.
I cannot fix that.
This is done.
Wait for me.
Okay. The hands.
There was something wrong again.
I don't know. If you're following me, then you haven't done anything wrong.
You have done something.
Okay.
This green lantern is so difficult. And this is for beginners. Can I just see that hand?
Yeah.
My fist is done.
Great.
Now
we do the Green Lantern's logo. Yeah. Okay. Should we color it?
Yeah.
Your left? I'll wait for you. So by the time we wait for Parikshit, for those who have not yet liked our channel and subscribed our channel, go back, hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, tell us in the comments below what did you like about this video and what you want us to draw next. And we will send you the first 5 comments that we get. We are going to send you some exciting goodies. Yes.
By me, you always forget to say that.
Yeah, from Parikshit and Kids Online Club. My Green Lantern is ready. I hope yours is also ready. If you have not been able to follow us or we were very fast, you can always slow the speed of the drawing by going on the YouTube settings and reduce the playback speed. Yes, and if you have been able to follow with us, you have been able to draw something for yourself, maybe it is not as good as this or maybe it's even better than this one, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub, and we will get you some amazing goodies for the best drawings and the fastest ones.
And the most important part is just to have fun.
Yes, that is the most important part, to have fun in this 6 minutes 100 days challenge.
It's not really a challenge. It just improves your drawing skills.
Yes, it improves your drawing skills.
Done.
Wow, Parishit is also done. So whose drawing do you like more? Whose drawing is
Just
done?
draw something.
Okay, see you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.